Hello guys, in today's video we will see that how we used our small balance of $12 in order to make $2,300 and even more than $2,300 to be precise, it's $23,160 in just a very limited number of trades. And we will show you every single step that how we carried out our each trade and how we made our profit in each trade. So you have to stay tuned in order to find out about our signature technique which we used in order to make this much profit. And also that how we prevented every single thing which would have helped us or which would constrained us our profit. So we will just see, and now you can see that balance is $12. And we have started to place buy and increase with full margin, and we are hopeful that we will make good profit in this. But since our balance is just $12, we won't expect any more from not much more from this trade, but yeah, this will be good. Because if you know that even if your balance is small, but you are confident about your trade, that at the point where you are trading is good and this is a profitable trade, then for sure it will go good and you will make good profit. So let's see what happens and where this trade will go, but we have to be optimistic and we will see that whether we make good profit from this trade or not. So now you can see we are now going to place the arrow line on the screen which will indicate the direction of trend. And now we have again placed buy entries with full margin and we are again pressing entries and we are about $7 in profit now. So we are placing more and more buy entries with full margin so that we can make good profit. So if to the subscribers who have been watching our videos since beginning, they would know what is our signature technique. If for the new subscriber, I would tell that you can see we are placing buy entries with full margin so that we can make good profit. So you have a hint for you here, and you can make good profit only when you place entries with full margin. And you can see we have closed this trade at a total of $37. So now we will be using this $37 up in order to make good profit. So let's just be hopeful. And also we are pretty confident that we'll make good profit. So let's see whether we succeed in making more profit or not. So now you see that this is a downgoing trend and we are placing more and more sell entries with full margin. Now I'm going to adjust the size of entry and let's see that whether what happens next. Now you can see that we are right now in loss, but this much loss is nothing as compared to our total balance. So we'll be staying in this trade. But one thing, if you are confident enough about your trade, then you should not worry about any loss. But if you are not confident about your trade and you have you are trading on basis of luck only, and you should be very much careful about your trades, that if you are in loss or if the loss has exceeded the stop loss mark on your trade, then you should surely exit the trade as soon as it crosses your stop loss. And now you can see $20 in profit, and also we will go more in profit because this seems to be an easy trade. So let's see but what will happen next. But one thing which we are hopeful about is that we will be going to make more. More and very good profit, so that you can see you can learn about the potential of every single trade by just looking at the trade if you have enough experience. But if you are not experienced, then first for sure you have to gain some experience. So we'll be just we are doing good. So we'll just be making good profit. So now you can see we have crossed about $60 in profit and we will be looking to close this trade. But since the profit is increasing and increasing, we'll be waiting for some little 2 to 3 seconds more. And there you can see we crossed at a total of $119, which is a very great balance. If you remember, we started from $37 in this trade, and this my channel and my videos are particularly an inspiration for those who want to start from. from like a small balance, but they don't have because they don't have a large balance of hundreds and thousands of dollars. So now in this trade we'll be placing more and more buy entries with full margin. And you can see since this is a very good trade. So as I was discussing that if you don't have a balance of hundreds and thousands of dollars, you can even start trading with a balance of $10 are generous inspiration for those. Because you can see our previous videos, we usually start from $10, we start from $20 and $15 and we touch good points such as $3,000, $1,000 and like that. Just because not all the traders who can start with this like large balances. So they should like have some experience, and they should, if they have good experience and good skills, then they can for sure make good amount of balance. With this, such a small starting balance, but two things which you have to keep in mind are that what time to trade, and because if you have a small balance, then you have to be extra careful because you cannot lose much. Because if the market shows a little bit of shift, then you are all in loss and your whole balance is washed out. But you don't have to worry about that, because if you worry about losing then you can never play. So again you can see we are in a small amount of, and I've discussed earlier that if you are like not confident and then you going lost, and you should for sure quit at that time because you are not aware about the situation of the market that is going to happen. So I don't think it's a very good idea to like stay in the market if you don't know that where the market is going to go, because the market come back in the upcoming direction, or may it not come back in profit. So if you are in profit, then you should take the profit. If you are not, you should quit that trade, because as I told you that you should like be very much careful about your money because it's hard-earned money. And now you can see we are about $80. In profit, and we are still going good. So we'll be seeing that where this trade ends and how much profit we'll end up making in this trade, and whether we have to go to our next trade or not to make. So now you can see that this balance is what we were talking about. And now we will be looking forward to make good profit from here. And now there you can see this trade is going where now we will be. Let's see where this trade goes. And now you can see we are again placing more buy entries, and we've crossed $190. We are increasing these entries to maximize our profit, and currently, we are about $170 in profit. And it looks like it's going to be a huge pump. And as I just told you that it will be a huge pump, and it is a huge pump, and we have crossed about $400 in profit, and it is fluctuating back and forth, but the mean about that is $400. Which is a great profit. So we are again placing more and more buy entries, and we are not stopping at all, because you know the signature technique which we use to make profit, and you can see we are about more than $400 in profit. So we are even looking to make more, because you can see the top entries which we placed are real good, and that is the amount of profit which I was talking about when I just started this video. So, and when I talk about great profit, this type of profit is what I mean, that you can see the huge bump which occurred and which was a great for our trade. So you can see we have already, the profit has reduced $205. But since it was good, and we are confident that it will be good also in the future. And you can see this is what I'm talking about. South. We have again placed more and more buy entries, but as soon as we get going, a little bit more profit. So let's just be confident and have faith in our like trade and see whether do we make good profit or not. So till now this trade has been going really well, really well. So we'll also be hoping that it goes well in future. So let's see whether it goes good in future or not. So now you can see we have again placed like. Total profit of $590 and we'll be like making good profit. So now let's see where this trade goes. And now here we are about more than $500 in profit. So let's see where this goes and where do we end up making profit or not. So now you can see we are about $530 in profit and we are even looking to make more, so and there we are. We have closed this trade at a balance of $693. And if you remember, the starting balance for that particular trade was just $119 and we have made 5 times of that. So again, it is very great profit. So again we have adjusted the size of entry to 1 and now we are again placing more and more sell entries so that we can make good profit in this trade as well. So let's see whether we make good profit in this trade or not, and we'll be just seeing that whether it goes good or not. And now we have placed trend line on the screen. So to check that what will happen, and we are placing more and more entries and we have a variant profit right now. And now I am going to place the upper base on the screen, and after that I will place the lower base on the screen, and there you can see now I will be placing the lower base on the screen so that we will find out whether this goes good or not. We have placed additional sell entries, showing more entries, and we're currently about $1,000 in profit, which is growing. We plan to close this trade, and you can see we've closed that balance of $23,160. The starting balance of this trade was around $693, close to $700. The starting balance of all trades was $12. Starting from $12, we reached $23,160, which is a great balance. Now you know that with a small starting balance, you can succeed. That was all. With this, such a small starting balance, but once 2 things which you have to keep in mind are that what time to trade, and because if you have a small balance, then you have to be extra careful because you cannot lose much. Because if the market goes in, the market shows a little bit of shift, then you are all in loss and your whole balance is washed out. But you don't have to worry about that, because if you worry about like losing, then you can never play. So again, you can see we are in a small amount of, and as discussed earlier, that if you are like not confident and then you're going lost, and you should for sure quit at that time because you are not aware about the situation of the market that is going to happen. So I don't think it's a very good idea to like stay in the market if you don't know that where the market is going to go, because the market come back in the upgoing direction, or may it not come back in profit. So if you are in profit, then you should take the profit.
If you also want more such strategies and accurate signals, then join our Telegram channel. The link has been provided to you in the description. Make sure to know that this video is for education purpose only, and applying any strategy without knowing what it is and how it works can be harmful for you. So make sure to learn about the strategy first and then applying it to your trading, or else apply it on your own risk. If you want a free strategy, you can contact us using the link in the description. Reach out, and we'll provide any strategy you need. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.